Right.
Hello.
Hi.
What are we making today?
I don't know.
We're making a flower frame.
Mm-hmm.
So we have a frame like this that I bought from Daiso for $2. And it comes
Very expensive.
Oh no, it's cheap.
No, it's expensive.
It comes with these glass frames and we're going to make a design. So I
Yeah.
picked out some flowers from outside on the floor. And you can choose which flowers you want to use on your frame. Okay, because right now it's spring and see I'm wearing a spring skirt. So you can put them here on the glass, but make sure you don't touch it because if you touch it, it's going to leave your fingerprint.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, then people can see your fingerprint. So you have to be very careful not to touch it.
Okay.
But if you do touch it, you can always wipe it. So here, a purple flower. You put some in the middle. I have these yellow ones. In Korean, they call them genari.
Yes, canary.
Genari. And these ones, like, these are,
Good.
yeah,
Yes.
blossoms.
Oh, yeah.
These are
Blossom.
blossoms.
Blossom.
They call them cherry blossoms, but I don't understand because cherry blossoms are cherries. And these trees don't have cherries.
Yeah. It smells like cherry smell.
Yes. And these purple ones, I don't know the name of this.
I think it's daisy.
A daisy or a violet or
Daisy.
maybe it's a daisy.
Yeah.
These ones have a long stem. This is a stem. And here I have also a leaf. If you want to add a leaf.
No.
A little leaf.
Oh, okay.
A little tiny leaf. See, this genari is different from this genari. See? This one has only 4 petals and this one has 5 petals. See? They are different.
Different.
Wow, now you have pink flowers. We're going to add more color.
Yeah.
I wonder if this one's going to... Can this one get flat? Maybe this one's too thick. Thick.
Wait.
Yeah, you can make a pattern or something. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video and then I'll show you the final product when it's finished. Wow, look at that. You made that all by yourself?
Yeah.
It's amazing. How could you do that?
I don't know.
How long did it take?
5 days.
5 days?
Yeah.
That looks like a lot of hard work. Wow, it's amazing.
This is aquarium and this is house.
Can you put water in there?
No.
No?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I want to fill it up with water.
No.
No? What happens if you fill it up with water?
This paper fish is dead.
Ah, it's gonna die. Oh, there's little paper fish in there too. I see. It's just supposed to be like underwater house. That is so cool.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I want to live in there.
Uh-huh.
It's like a little house for a fairy. Pretty cool. Yeah, how small it is. Cool. Smaller. Okay, so almost finished. See? Look at all the flowers we have here. Hello. Hello. We are finished with the product. This is what it's supposed to look like. It's a flower frame. It's supposed to be like transparent.
I don't like this design.
Uh-oh. Yeah, it's not easy at first. It's a little bit hard, right?
Yeah.
Because you have to squish everything together. The flowers are squished in there. But it's gonna look better. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna look better. But I tried this last year with my other students and they did a good job.
Good job.
Yeah, they did a good job.
Show me.
Okay, I'll show you
me.
if I find any pictures.
Okay.
Okay, anyways, it's time to go now. Goodbye.
Bye.
Ta-da!
Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Kavya.
And what are we doing today?
I don't know.
We are making a DIY flower glass frame. Yeah, so please open this. Today is spring, so a lot of trees. Now we have trees with cherry blossoms. A lot of cherry blossoms are blooming. Good job. You're doing great. Yay. Okay, so this is a glass frame.
Yeah.
So this is real glass. Oh, where is it? Okay, yeah, we need this piece. This is for holding it together.
Yes.
Yeah, so what we're gonna do is, here's our glass. Oops. Here. Okay. And we don't need this paper. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to put the flowers in here.
Okay.
You can choose whatever flowers you want. This one has like a stem. And we have also yellow flowers that we call canary. And we have also little purple flowers.
Oh, very beautiful.
Yeah, you can use this one too.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can put the flowers all anywhere in the frame, like.
Yes. Oh, this one.
Your sister.
Why this one?
Your sister took it from up there. Her is dry flower.
Oh, dry flower.
Yeah, that's a dry flower.
And one more yellow flower. Yellow flower, very beautiful.
Yes, that's right. More bright. So I recommend you put these ones in the middle.
Yeah.
Because you can't really see the corners, right? So you have to make everything like in the center.
Yeah.
And maybe this flower is too thick.
Yeah.
So maybe we can't, if it's too thick, it can't close this one. That's why we couldn't use this one, because it's too thick.
Yeah.
See? So this one not. We just need to use the thin flower.
Yeah.
Okay, but here you can use, maybe you can use one of this one, like a little one, like this.
Okay.
This one. Oh, I think that's good. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so now take this glass and put it on here. This glass, this. Yeah, take this glass. Okay.
Oh.
And put it on top. See how it's gonna squish everything? Squish! Yeah, it's squished! Wow, everything's squished! Okay, you can fix it. Do you wanna fix it? Stuck. Stuck!
Okay.
This one, do you wanna, like this way?
Yeah.
More open? Okay, you have to open the flower. Open the flower. Maybe you have to like this.
This one very good.
Oh yeah, that one looks good. Ta-da. Okay, more open. Okay, now you can see the little what do you call that? I don't know. Pollen. Pollen. Yeah, this is the bees like this one, right? Okay, now I need to let go of the camera. So then once you squish it together like this, pick it up very carefully.
on this one.
Okay, let's see. Wow, it looks really pretty. Do you want to show it to mommy?
Yeah.
Okay, let's show it to mommy.
Mommy.
She finished her design.
개나리.
Oh, 개나리. Yes. Yeah. Your style and your sister's style is different, right?
Yeah.
Your sister added some pink flowers and you added yellow flowers.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Good job. You can see the front and the back.
Yeah. Mommy's handphone.
Oh. Okay. Okay.